Meaning of fruit of the loom.
Fruit of the loom.
Fruit of the loom.
Fruit of the loom.
Fruit of the loom. Fruit of the Loom is a brand of clothing, particularly known for its underwear and t-shirts. The name comes from the phrase fruit of the loom, which refers to the produce that grows on the weaving shuttle used by textile workers in the past. The company was founded in 1851 and has since become a well-known and trusted brand for affordable and durable undergarments. With a focus on quality and affordability, Fruit of the Loom has remained a popular choice for consumers worldwide.